So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a origami heart. So let us start. First take a square paper or a origami sheet. Then fold it into half like this. I am doing here. Now unfold the paper and fold the paper on the other side. Then unfold the paper. Now take the upper part and fold it till the center point, like I am doing here. Now from the lower part of the paper, take and fold it till the upper point of the paper. Now you will get the paper looking like this. Now take the left side paper. You may see a line. Fold till the line. Now do the same on the other side. Now you will get the paper looking like this. After that, put the paper upside down and fold a little bit on the upper part. After that, take the paper and fold it into half. You may see a looking like a small triangle. Fold it. Then you will get the mark how much the paper has been marked on the other side. Now after that, you will get the paper like this, but it is not looking like a heart. So let us make. There you will see a line. If you want to be the heart to be looking like a little bit square, fold it till the line. Now if you see, it will be looking like a heart, but it is square. If you want it to be a little bit circular, now then put it upside down and lower the fold, like I am doing here. Now if you see, you will get the heart in. And thanks for watching guys. In the next video, I will show you how to do many other origami crafts. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Thank you.